Hello everyone. We have to discuss about functions in Python. Now we have to discuss about user defined functions in Python. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of core using. As you already know, Python gives you many built-in functions like print, etc. But you can also create your own functions. These functions are called user-defined functions. Next, we will discuss about defining a functions. How we can define functions in Python. There are some simple rules in follow. First one is function blocks begin with a keyword, they followed by the function name and parenthesis. The second one is any input parameters or arguments should be placed within this parenthesis. You can also define parameters inside this parenthesis. The third one is the first statement of a function can be an optional statement, the documentation string of the function or docstring. The code block within every function starts with a colon and is indented. The last one is the statement return expression exits a function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no arguments is the same as return none. So we can see the syntax for user defined function. Def function name, then brackets, parameters, then colon, then function docstring, this is the optional one, then function suit, this is the contents of the function, the last one return expression. The parameters have a positional behavior and you need to inform them in the same order that they were defined. Next, the example of a user defined functions. The following function takes a string as input parameter and prints it on standard string. Def printme bracket str is the argument colon. This prints a pass string into this function. This is the optional one. Print str, this is the contents of function and return. Next we will discuss about calling a function. Defining a function only gives it a name, specifies the parameters that are to be included in the function and structures the blocks of code. When the basic structures of a function is finalized, you can execute it by calling it from another function or directly from the Python prompt. Following is the example to call printme function. Function definition is here. Def printme str. This prints a pass string into these functions. This is the optional one. Print str. This is the contents function and return. Now you can call printme function. Printme, I am first call to user defined functions. Printme again second call to the same functions. The above code is executed, it will produce the following results. I am first call to user defined functions and again second call to the same function. Next we will discuss about pass by reference versus value. All parameters or arguments in the Python language are passed by reference. It means if you change what a parameter reference to with a function, the change also reflects back in the calling function. For example, function definition is here. Def change me my list. This change a pass list into these functions. This is the optional one. My list appended bracket 1 2 3 4 print values inside the function my list returns. Now you can call printme function. Printme, I am first call to user defined functions. Next printme again second call to the same functions. The above code is executed, it produces the following results. I am first call to user defined functions and again second call to the same functions. Thank you.